Hey everyone, it's Matt Arlen, and today I have a very special treat for all of you school bus fans out there. Today I'm sitting in Greenfield Central's buses, one of our brand new 2020 Bluebird Visions, and this is bus number 1. It's the wheelchair accessible one in the fleet. And I'm going to start it up and give you all a tour. And all the Bluebird Visions we have are gasoline engines. I gotta let the air pressure build up. Turn on the dome lights. Here we go. And I'll make a video of the wheelchair lift in a separate video to save time on video. So here's a side emergency exit. Two roof escape hatches, incandescent dome lights. We got, let me see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we got 4 cameras on board this bus. And here's the aisle check raw ender switch. Turn all the dome lights off. Alright, let's turn on some lights. Hazards. Just pull back on the switch and then I'll demonstrate it again for you. So, here we go. This little gray switch right here, just pull back on it like that, and then they'll activate. So here's the door switch, and it's an air door. Let's turn on some outside lights. Whoops. Whoops, I did that backwards, and I better shut the door. Sorry about that, my bad. So, anyway. Here's the yellow light. And then I open the door. There's the stop arm. But none of the buses have the exterior light monitor, and normally it'd be up there. Alright, so let's go take a look around. Incandescent light and stepwell light. as you can tell by looking at all these lights, these are all incandescents and the 8-way lights, but the LEDs, actually the clearance lights, I can't tell if those are LEDs or not, so somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I'm assuming they're not LEDs, so someone please correct me if I'm wrong. So, lift, fuel tank. Okay, logo. Let me see if I can give you a shot underneath. Look at that. All right. Shut the door. Here it goes. So, to deactivate the hazard lights, you just got to push up or down on the turn signal, up or down, whichever way you choose. So, that's the reminder for the child checkmate system. So, let's see what we have here. Economy status, outside temperature and mileage. Bird. Okay. All our buses have air brakes as usual. Let me double check. Yep, this one's an air ride suspension seat as well. I've already looked at one of our other Bluebirds, so right now I'm just going to assume that all our Bluebird buses will have air ride suspension seats, and this is a new bus and definitely a new thing for me. So any of you Bluebird fans out there, if there's anything I've said incorrectly, and please let me know, since I'm new to this. My district hasn't had any Bluebirds in our fleet since 2008, so that was like 11 years ago. So I'm behind on my Bluebird knowledge, if you know what I mean. Power mirrors and radio. So, I guess that'll be it. So, let's go. Deactivate the child system now. can take the key out. So now all the dome lights are on, confirming that the system is armed. I just simply push the button in, and the lights will flash, confirming that the system is disarmed. And now I can leave the bus. And there you have it. So, this will probably be my only school bus video until the summer when I can start volunteering. So, I guess I'll see everyone later, and I'll make sure I make more bus videos in the summer while I'm volunteering, especially with the bluebirds that we have here. So, to wrap up, my district decided to switch to bluebirds. I don't know why, but it's my mechanic's opinion. They've been claiming that ICs are crap, but who knows? That's just their opinion. So, in November of 2018, when I came here, they had a Bluebird Vision here, just a brand new one plane that had rolled off the assembly line a couple of days ago, and I got to join the ride on it. So if you want my opinion, I think that the gasoline engine on a Bluebird bus is quieter than an IC bus, because we have at least two in my district. So that's it for now. Take care, everyone.